Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can scan QR codes and barcodes using the webcam on your Asus ExpertBook. So all you need to do first is just open your camera, and here you'll find the QR code option. It should be right here. And now you just have to hold your QR code to the camera itself, and as you can see the QR code was scanned in fact, and you can now open it and it works. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.